Use a plastic trim tool, don't use metal, you could damage the surface. There we go. You can slide that out of the way. Grab a magnetic Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and remove these 2 screws. That way you don't lose the screw. Go ahead and remove these 2 Phillips screws as well. Then with all that done, you got to run your trim tool along here to pry this out. And there's a few last clips up here that are pointed towards the windshield, so you want to pull it directly towards the camera. And for now, you don't have to remove that. You can just make sure to disconnect the battery. You can unplug this airbag sensor. As you can see, there's just a little clip here you push down on. Slide that out. Remove these 2 Phillips screws. And if you have a really long screwdriver, you can get the other 2 screws, but I don't today, so I'm going to remove the climate as well. Remove the 4 screws and slide that forward. There's also 2 screws holding this in that we removed earlier. That exposes the last 2 screws. Go ahead and slide that out. Go ahead and unplug your antenna. And this one unplugs, there's just a clip in the middle. Push it in, wiggle, and slide that out.